Exponential equation exercise 5.3. We are starting question 10. 3 times 9 to the power x minus 4 times 3 to the power x minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. We are going to find out the value of x. First, we just multiply this one. 3 times 9 to the power x minus 3 times 4 is a 12 times 3 to the power x minus 1, and here is a plus 1 equals to 0, right? Now 3 and this 9 we can write 3 square, so it will be 3 to the power 2x minus 12, and here is a 3 to the power x can be write 3 to the power minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Why? Because if a to the power like m plus n, we can write a to the power m times a to the power n. Now look, here is a interesting thing or important thing, 3 to the power 2x and 3 to the power x. So let 3 to the power x equals to a, so we can write 3 to the power, here is a 3 to the power 2x. If 3 to the power x equals to 1, so it will be 3 times a square minus 12a times this 3 to the power 1 by a, we can write 3 to the power minus 1, we can write 1 by 3 plus 1 equals to 0. Now is the most important thing, like here is a 3a square minus this 12, we can divide it by 3, so it will be 4, we can write 4a plus 1 equals to 0. Now it's a quadratic equation, so we can make middle term factor. Here is a 3 times 1, it will be 3, so 1 times 3 equals to 3, and 1 minus 3, it will be minus 4. So we can write like 3a square minus 3a minus a plus 1 equals to 0. So we can take common 3a from this equation, so here will be what? A, and here is a minus 1 once we take, so here is a minus 1 equals to 0. So from this expression we can take common a minus 1, and here is a 3a minus 1 equals to 0. So here is the two things, either a minus 1 equals to 0, we can write a equals to 1, and a means what? A means here is a 3 to the power x, 3 to the power x. So against 1 we can write 3 to the power 0. So finally we can write here base are same, so x equals to 0. It's a one thing. Or here we can write 3a minus 1 equals to 0, so we can write this one is 3a, we are adding both side by 1, so here is a 1, and then a equals to 1 by 3. Against a we can instead of a we can write 3 to the power x equals to 1 by 3, it means 3 to the power minus 1. So here base are same, we can write x equals to minus 1. So we get two answer, one is 0, another one is minus 1. I hope you cleared this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section.